Part 2. Everybody's been asking about it. I got Senior Rosie.
Hola.
And we are going to get cracking today on the Shirokai kit. We got the front on and with a couple bolts in it. And now we're going to try and get the side skirts on, which, as of right now, it's about damn near impossible.
It's hot.
It's hotter than hell, and it's the way it's supposed to mount. It doesn't really make sense unless we mount it the way we're gonna when we do it permanently, which I'm fine with doing. It's just gonna take us longer. So we're gonna try and get them mocked up, maybe with like a self-tap or something to just get them held in place. And then I'm going to get the rears set into place, and we're gonna put the rears on with a couple bolts. And basically what I'm trying to go for by the end of the day is have the kit bolted on with some self-tappers where it's gonna be. So then when the hardware shows up, I can drill out all the holes, and then Rosie can take the kit and start painting it with all the holes drilled out. So that's our plan for today. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep knocking it out. Here we go.
As he airs it out, because that's
No, it should camber a little bit more. If anything, we'll get adjustable control arms. But as you guys can see, like I said, this car is ridiculous. Like, this kit is insane. It's not something to, like, you're gonna bat your eye at it and you're like, wait, that's really wide, because it's gonna be ridiculous. So we've basically got,
show him scale. Show him the scale.
I mean, that's the rear, so you can understand like how wide this really is. I mean, that's how much is still left to be filled out.
Yeah.
And then for up front,
holy hell.
so once we bring the wheel back up to the center of the vehicle, like the center of the wheel well, I'm really hoping that it won't be as ridiculous. I'm hoping that we'll still be able to turn. So that part will be in the next video. We'll get tires mounted and everything, and we'll get this on the ground in the next video. But right here, we're gonna finish up what we're doing here, and then we may or may not jump on the other side, so I'll let you know.
The next video on this one.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna be dropping a video on that next.
Yeah, so the next video on the Shirokai, part 3 of the Shirokai, will have tires on it, and it'll be on the ground, but it still won't be painted yet. So we'll see how that goes. Hardware's on its way from Downstar. Thank you to Downstar, they hooked us up big time. There's a lot of hardware for this kit. So yeah, so I'll probably check in with you guys in a little bit. We might do the other side, just depends. I think we're gonna mainly focus on this side for today and probably put the wing on to see how everything mounts, and then we're gonna call it on that, and then work on some other stuff. We got a lot of other stuff we gotta work on, so I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Well, y'all gonna get a sneak peek of the wheel because Rosie talked me into it.
Because I want to see it.
So we're gonna pull this one off. We're gonna move it out the way. We kind of got the side on. You'll see that in a minute. But I'm gonna give Rosie the camera and we're gonna open this bad boy up.
Oh, I wanted to pull it out the box.
Bum ba da 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 da. So these are AG wheels. They are 10.5 by 20 with a negative 90 offset. So
Big boys.
we're gonna pop these bad boys on real quick, and we're gonna get a gander at what they look like.
That's a pretty color. That's a pretty color. Oh.
Are you sure that's not a rear?
I don't know. It might be, because that's really big. That's gotta be, bro.
Go verify.
No, that's a front.
It's
got the sticker right here.
Oh, Jesus.
Negative 97.
97, that was off.
Negative 97, 20 by 11 and a half. And these are fronts at 11 and a half.
Oh my God.
11 and a half at fronts, bro. That's really wide. Holy shit. Oh, man. Whew. What size tires did you get for fronts?
315 or 305, something like that.
305s for the front.
Yeah.
Sweet Lord, baby Jesus, there's a fire. And it's this car. This car is on fire.
This car's gonna be disgusting. Alright, and we're just tossing these on for a look. I wanted to get black, but instead we got gunmetal. It's not terrible.
Gunmetal works.
We could swap it out later.
I think it's a nice little accent color to that black and red. Gunmetal goes well with everything. Bro. Get rid of the box.
That's a whole lot of wheel.
That's a whole hell of a lot of oof.
That's a lot of wheel. I mean, look at it from the front, like with camber. I mean, we're still sticking out. So